Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run Google AdSense ads through your Weebly site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Weebly website editor, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into the build section and then go through the elements, scroll all the way down, and as you can see under more, you will find the Google AdSense block element, call it whatever you want. So just take it and drag it over here, and it's going to add Google AdSense to your site. Now, of course, you're going to need to click authorize, and then you're going to need to go over and authorize your page. However, for some reason, it currently isn't able to handle that request. But yeah, that is pretty much how you add your Google AdSense. You just need to add the element and then authorize Google AdSense, and that should be it. Now, alternatively, what you can also try if you're getting an error like me, this might not be a good fix, however, it might help you. And for some reason, Weebly is not sure why it's taking so long to refresh everything. So let me just quickly go ahead and try to close this and then reopen it. But yeah, what you can do, you can probably just generate your own AdSense ads, and then you'll be able to just embed them into your site. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just go ahead and edit my site. In the meanwhile, I'll go into my Google AdSense, go into ads. I'll create by ad unit, create a display ad. I'll name it test 6, ad type responsive, why not? Take it as horizontal and then click create. And as you can see, now you have your HTML code, which you can embed. And then when we go here, I'll just cancel this, enter some embed code, which should be somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure where I placed it, so let me just try here. And there we go. Just double click this, edit custom HTML, add the HTML, and now that should be running ads as well. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.